Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood inspector Kevin again. I'm going to talk to y'all today about foundation repair and do's and don'ts. So basically, this back section was originally a porch or a patio, and they poured concrete. It's a flat cap foundation. It's only um, 4 inches thick. There's no perimeter beam that runs around the outside. Usually the outside perimeter beam will be about 24 inches thick. This one's 4 inches. So they came in, they leveled the house and raised it. You can see where they have the concrete piers and the shims underneath about every 4 to 6 feet. And they raised the porch. The problem with this is that there's no support underneath here, and they left this void all underneath there. So if you put any weight on the concrete on the inside, because there's no beam supporting, it'll break in half. So normally what they do in this regard is they have a new technology that they've come out with that's a spray foam. It's spray injection. They can also do what's called mud jacking, where they pump mud up underneath there to support that slab evenly across, instead of just supporting from one point, one pier along there. You have pressure points that if you put enough weight on the inside, it pushes down in the dirt. So whoever did this, the job's just not finished, and like I said, not complete. They need to come back and finish that. Unfortunately, with foundation repair, it's really important to check the people that do the foundation repair and make sure they've got any clue what they're doing, because there's really no license to do foundation repair. Now, there are some credentials and some certifications that you might want to ask for. You also might, in foundation repair, want to talk to a structural engineer that can come evaluate and make sure that they have their stamp or their seal on any foundation repair to make sure that it's properly leveled and properly finished. So again, foundation repair is kind of important in this area. We just need to make sure that it's done correctly and make sure that it's verified and inspected. So again, Kevin Plant, Inspection Specialties. Have a nice day.